In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a MetaTrader 5 demo account. Let's get started with this valuable skill that allows you to practice trading with virtual money. It's a great way to familiarize yourself with the tools and charts available in a real account without any financial risk. First, you need to open MetaTrader 5 on your computer. You can do this on both Windows and Mac. Simply locate the MetaTrader 5 application icon and double-click it. This will launch the software. Having MetaTrader 5 open is crucial because it serves as your gateway to accessing and managing your trading accounts. Once MetaTrader 5 is up and running, the next step is to open the account wizard. To do this, navigate to the top menu bar and click on File. From the drop-down menu, select Open an Account. This action is important because it sets the stage for creating your demo account. Now, it's time to select a broker or server. You'll see a list of available brokers. Choose one that interests you, or you can search for a broker by typing in their name. Selecting the right broker is important because it can provide a more realistic trading experience later. Next up, you need to choose the Open a Demo Account option. This is where you decide to open a demo account instead of a live one. Once you've selected the demo option, go ahead and click Next. This step is crucial because it ensures you are practicing with a demo account, which uses virtual money. At this point, you will need to complete the registration form. Enter your personal details as requested. Make sure to provide accurate information. Then accept the terms and conditions by checking the box provided. Once done, click Next to proceed. Filling out this form correctly is vital because it sets up your account with the necessary information. After completing the registration form, save your login information. MetaTrader 5 will provide you with an account number and password. It's essential to keep this information safe and accessible. You might need it if you reinstall MetaTrader 5 or switch devices. Finally, click Finish to complete the process and log into your new demo account. When you do this, the software will connect you to the demo account, allowing you to start practicing trading immediately. This makes sure your account is set up correctly and you're ready to explore the platform. If you plan to trade with a specific broker later, consider opening a demo account with them. Many traders find that broker-specific demos offer a more realistic experience. This can be beneficial in preparing for live trading. Remember to keep your login credentials saved securely. These details are critical for accessing your account in the future, especially if you ever need to reinstall MetaTrader 5 or use another device. With these steps completed, you're all set to explore the world of trading using your MetaTrader 5 demo account. This hands-on practice will be invaluable as you learn and grow your trading skills. Enjoy your journey into trading.